Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a foldable monitor stand and you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's video, we are reviewing a monitor stand from the company KlearLook. And this monitor stand is perfect for if you guys have basically monitors that you guys want to give it some sort of elevation, or if you just want to basically bring up your devices up on a higher positioning so you guys can actually have a better focus and view of your screen. This is definitely an ideal and perfect product for you. This monitor stand actually even has a built-in phone holder and also basically a little drawer so you guys can actually put stuff into the monitor stand. And basically what we're gonna do is actually just talk about a few things about our channel and get on to this product review. If you guys are new to our channel, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications to stay loaded and get updates whenever we do upload. Leave a like if you do enjoy. Follow us on social media. Our links are always down below in the description and you guys can follow us and we can stay connected that way. And also, if you guys have any questions or concerns, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com and you guys can message us and we can potentially work together. But basically now we're going to move on to the unboxing portion of this video. Alright guys, so this is a huge product and I'm going to try to fit this into this camera angle, but we're going to see how that's going to go. So basically what I'm going to do is slide it into this camera angle. So you guys can see this says Foldable Monitor Stand with built-in drawer and phone stand. And there is a 3-type width. So you guys can actually make this, those different 3 sizes that you can actually make this monitor stand fitting your needs or your wants basically. And this is obviously the picture of the monitor stand right there. And now we're going to basically go on and unbox this box. So what I'm going to do is lift up this tab. And you guys can see the inside is the monitor stand. You guys can actually get this in white or you guys can get this in black or wood kind of, you know, finish and look to it. So what we're gonna do is pull this out. Okay, so you guys can see this is all the different things you get inside the package. So you guys can see we get a thank you for choosing us basically card, and this is obviously from the company KlearLook. And on the back it just talks about the warranty, so if you have any issues or basically want any assistance, you guys would read this warranty card and it can help you with replacement or basically you know, customer service basically. And you guys can see on this camera this is the monitor stand. It is really nice. I like the texture, I like the design. And you guys can see, you guys can actually, you know, I'm going to show you guys the different widths that you guys can actually make this monitor stand and show you guys the different components and compartments of this monitor stand. So basically now we're going to move on to the product demonstration and testing portion of this video. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is actually test out this monitor stand and show you guys and demonstrate how it basically functions. So you guys can see, you guys can actually change the size right here. So you guys can actually go under and actually lift up this black board to actually extend this monitor stand to a bigger size. So you guys can see this adds a little bit more longevity onto this monitor stand. So you guys can see, you guys can put your monitors right here. Back here actually, you guys can see this is a little drawer right here. What I'm going to do is push this back. You guys can see, you guys can put like your pens, your pencils, or any kind of little notes and stuff inside this drawer right here. And then right here, you guys can actually put your phones onto this stand right here. You can sit your phone down, and I am going to demonstrate this for you guys. All you got to do is put it on top like that. You guys can see my phone just rests inside perfectly onto this monitor stand. So if I have my monitor up here, I could be, you know, also looking at my phone at the same time, and it's really practical, and I really do enjoy and I appreciate that they added that feature. You know, if I have any notes, put my notes right here, put all my papers and stuff right there, pencils, pens, you name it. And then right here, obviously on the top, is where you would put your monitor. I actually don't have a monitor to test out. What I could do is put my laptop on top of it, but the issue is this laptop is actually recording my audio, and I feel like if I picked it up, it's gonna mess up the audio, but we're gonna try anyways. So you guys can see, I can set my laptop on top, and now it gives it basically some, what is it called? Some lift off the ground. And you guys can see now I could type with my hands in the right position, and also my, you know, making my body straight and everything. And yeah, it's really nice. And then also what I like about this product is they also, with the monitor stand, it also leaves some space to put stuff under it. So you guys can actually put some, you know, maybe your keyboard when you're done, your mouse when you're done under it. And that's also another place or compartment where you guys can basically save space and storage that way. And basically that is just my demonstration of this monitor stand. So basically now we're going to move on to the final reflections and remarks and end off this video. So basically, what do I think about this monitor stand? This monitor stand is perfect and ideal for anybody who has a monitor that wants to basically lift it up the ground just a little bit. You know, you guys can put your, you guys can even put your speakers and stuff on top of this with the monitor, and basically you guys can get more, let's just say, a better view of your screen or whatever you're using, and it is really nice, and I really enjoyed this product. This is from the company ClearLook, and this is their monitor stand. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this product review. This is more like a showcase item because I did review it, but I didn't, like, you know, go full depth onto the review. It's more like a showcase, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed nonetheless. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys go down below and actually leave thumbs up, and also subscribe if you are new to our channel, and also turn on post notifications if you have not, to stay updated and get updates whenever we do upload onto our channel. Also, if you guys are, you know, having any questions or concerns, go down below in the comment section down below and leave your comments and concerns that way, so I can actually comment you guys back and basically help you guys with any concerns. All the product information is down below in the description. You guys can basically purchase this product on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can do so. And yeah, that's basically it. If you are a business owner or a company owner and actually want to work with us, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com, and you guys can message us and we can potentially work together. And yeah, I really do like this monitor stand. It is really nice. The texture is really nice. It has a nice feel and finish to it. It is really quality. It's really built. It can support a decent amount of weight. You know, even with my hand pressing down on it, it doesn't really bend that much, and it's really nice. And what I like about it is you can also put, you know, your pencils or your little notes inside. And then you can also put your phone onto this little phone stand to basically, you know, get a better view of your phone that way as well. And it's really nice, and I really do appreciate this product. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this product review video. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next one. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys for watching this product review, and I hope to see you all on the next one. Thank you all for watching. Hello everyone, so currently I am editing this video, and I'm just wanting to update you guys on this tech review. I actually originally filmed this video back in June of 2019. It is now January of 2020, and let's just say this tech review was by far not my best tech review I've done. And you know, so basically the story behind this tech review was I filmed it in June of 2019, and my hard drive that contains like all my footage and stuff corrupted, so I wasn't able to find the footage up until now. My hard drive that corrupted, I unfortunately lost 2 terabytes of footage. I wasn't actually able to get it recovered, so I surprisingly found this footage though before I had the ordeal. I guess I saved it somewhere else, I didn't know. And this video, you know, is about 7 months old. So I've done a lot of changes to the tech review series. You know, my input and my output of like details and information is getting a lot better now. You know, I'm starting to do better tech reviews, and let's just say this one was not one of them. I just haven't had time to actually make this video, and I actually don't have the box anymore, so I kind of have to use this footage that I have, and I'm sorry about that. But you guys can see I'm actually using this monitor stand right here. and it's doing a fantastic job. I finally actually got a monitor. You guys can see right here I have a monitor, and I have the monitor stand actually on my screen right here. You guys can actually check this information out on the description down below if you guys want to purchase it. I just want to, you know, sincerely apologize to anybody watching this video if this was their first tech review from me, and I just want to apologize to the company that, you know, this review isn't what I typically make. This was in the past. I've updated, I have, you know, gradually, what is it called, let's just say gotten better with my reviews and make more professional reviews. And then also, I was actually being rushed when I originally made this video. I was kind of running short on time, so this is why, one, this is my shortest tech review ever, and two, just not my best overall, you know, given, you know, specifications kind of tech review. So I just want to apologize and hope that doesn't take away from the information you guys got from this video. But anyways, I hope you guys still enjoy nonetheless, and I'll see you guys with newer videos in 2020. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. CrewElite signing out once again.